Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make butterfly chart in Tableau. So let's go to the screen.
So now we got onto our Tableau screen and we are going to create butterfly chart using the IPL dataset in which we have two tables named deliveries and matches. And for creating butterfly chart, first we have to know what exactly we are going to find the insight. Basically the insight that we have to find using the butterfly. So I want to know how many times a team won matches while taking the fielding as their toss decision and the batting as their toss decision. So for creating that, we will need three calculated field. First one is batting first winner, second is bowling first winner, and third is the zero axis. So first I will create the calculated field batting first winner. Okay, so for that we are going to make the logic here. If the toss decision is equals to bat, then I am going to only show the winner. Okay, and we are going to end the if here. Okay, so we got the batting first winner calculated field. We are also going to create the bowling first winner calculated field. So if the toss decision was filled, then I will only show the winner of that particular match. And so we got two calculated field here, and we are also going to create the third calculated field, which is your zero axis, and we are going to give the value as 0. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to put this both of these calculated field into the columns and also this in the column, and we are going to convert them from dimensions to measure, making them count, and also this is count. Okay, so first graph will show the batting first winner and the second graph will show the bowling first winner, and in the middle I will add the zero axis. Okay, so there will be some gap here, and in the row I will add team 1. So it will categorize all of the batting first winner and bowling first winner based on their team name. Okay, and I will only show the top 10 teams. So I will control and click on this field and I will filter it by top 10. So it will only show the top 10 teams, and I will make it entire view, and we will get to see in the full view. And we are going to reverse this graph. So right click on this header, edit axis, I'll make it reversed and cut here. So you get to see a little bit of butterfly format here, and if I make it descending, and you will see the layout of a butterfly chart. I will convert the zero axis from automatic to text. Okay, ABC, you will see all of the text value here. So for saying the value, you will click control, and on the team 1 you will put it into the text, and you will see all of the team name here. So what I will do here, I will uncheck the show headers and it will remove the headers, and we got this butterfly chart. So now we are going to make this graph visually colorful. So what I will do here, I will put the team 1 here in the color. It will color all the bars based on their team names. Okay, and we will do the same for other count as well, and you will see the colors here. You can also color them by their team jerseys color. That will be your option, but I will leave it as here. Next, what I will do, I will format the title. I will double click on the title and select, make it center, make it let's say white, bold, and OK, and I will format the title, give it a shading of black. So you will see the title here, the black background and with the white font color. Now I will format this charts too. I will give the color as black, worksheet color as black, I will remove the grid lines, and I will also remove this dotted line, which is also called as zero lines. I'll make it none. And this is how our graph will look like. I will hide these headers too, and I will make the text a little bit white color or bigger in size. For making it bigger in size, I will go to the sum zero axis and text, and I will format it. I'll make it little bigger in font size. I'll make it white, bold. As you can see, we got the team names here. So we got our formatted butterfly chart, and we also want to see the values, how many times Chennai Super Kings won while choosing the batting first, also the bowling first. So for seeing the value, what I will do, I will open this marks, and I'll click on the control, and I will grab this here and put it in the label, so you will see the values too. And I will also do the same for bowling first. So now we got our butterfly chart with a comparison of a team taking the batting first as their toss decision and the bowling first as their toss decision, how many times they have won while taking batting and the bowling. Thanks for watching.